If you're looking for an easier way to tackle painting projects, the Tilswall HVLP Paint Sprayer might be the good fit for you. It's ultralight, built with aerospace grade materials, and the handle is designed to feel natural in your hand. This means less fatigue even if you're working for a long stretch. It's also beginner friendly. The tool-free design makes setup simple and cleanup is straightforward. Just run water through it after each use until the spray clears and you're good to go for the next time. With the adjustable flow control, you can fine-tune the paint output for smooth, even coverage. For best results, thin your paint a little bit before spraying. That helps prevent drips and gives you a more professional finish. The sprayer comes with 2 interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns, so you can handle everything from detailed furniture, projects to big walls and fences. It's versatile, easy to use, and can really elevate your DIY projects. Thank you so much for the brand for sending out this sample, and I hope you all found this helpful. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.